Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add filters to your picture on the Lumii-Photo Editor application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Select a picture from your device and click to the third option, the filter, next to the template button at the bottom of the page. And here you can find different templates, for example, Euro, Food, Spring, Elegant, Basic, and Brisk, and more. And if you want to use one, just click that and you can set the filter. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.